If your Google Ads look small and boring compared to your competitors, you're missing ad extensions. Let me show you how to set them up in the next few minutes. I'm Kelsey with KaeRae Marketing. Ad extensions are one of the easiest ways to make your ads bigger, more clickable, and more effective. And most people either skip them or set them up wrong. Here's exactly how to do it right. Ad extensions are extra pieces of information that show up below your main ad. Things like your phone number, your address, links to specific pages, or callouts like free estimates. They make your ad take up more space on the page, which means more visibility and more clicks. Google says ads with extensions can see up to 15% higher click-through rates. And here's the best part. They're free to add. You only pay when someone clicks. To set up extensions, go to your Google Ads account. On the left-hand side menu, click Ads and Assets, then Assets. This is where you'll add all of your extensions. Let me walk you through the most important ones for home service businesses. First, the call extension. This is the non-negotiable for home service businesses. Click the plus button and select Call and add your business phone number. When someone sees your ad on mobile, they can tap to call you directly without even having to visit your website. That's huge. You can also set up call reporting to track which calls come from your ads. Turn this on, you need this data. Second, location extension. This shows your business address and links to Google Maps. To set this up, you need to link your Google business profile to your Google Ads account. Go to linked accounts in your settings and connect them. Once linked, your address will automatically show in your ads. This builds trust because people see that you're a real local business, not some random company 3 states away. Third, sitelink extensions. These are extra links below your ad that go to specific pages on your website. Click the plus button, select sitelink, and add links like emergency services, water heater repair, about us, service areas. Each site link needs a short headline and a brief description. Keep the headlines under 25 characters. This lets people jump directly to what they need, and it makes your ad way bigger on the page. Fourth, call-out extensions. These are short phrases that highlight what makes you different. Add things like licensed and insured, free estimates, 24/7 emergency service, family owned since 2005, satisfaction guaranteed. Keep each callout under 25 characters. You can add up to 10, but Google will only show 2 to 4 at a time, depending on the device. Fifth, structured snippets. These let you list specific services under a category header. Select services as your header, then add things like drain cleaning, water heater repair, leak detection, sewer line repair, pipe installation. This helps Google understand what you offer and show potential customers exactly what services you provide. A few pro tips. 1. Add extensions at the account level, not just the campaign level. That way they apply everywhere. 2. Review your extensions every few months. If a service changes or you have a new offer, update them. 3. Check your asset report to see which extensions are actually getting clicks. Double down on what's working. To set up ad extensions, add your call extension, essential for home services, link your location extension through Google Business Profile, and add site links to your key pages. Add callouts highlighting what makes you different, add structured snippets listing your services. Do all 5 and your ads will be bigger, better, and more clickable than your competitors. If you want me to look at your Google Ads and make sure your extensions are set up right, I do audits. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more Google Ads tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Want to learn how to write the ads that actually get clicked? Watch this next one.